Dear students, I have already given so many videos, so now I am giving you examples. Okay, change direct narration to indirect narration. So I am giving some example. Watch it very attentively. Rima said to Prakash, I can write it. Rima is the subject of reporting verb. Okay, this is the verb, reporting verb, and this is the object. You remember this. Okay, this is the subject of reporting verb, and Prakash is the object of reporting verb. I can write it. It is reported speech. This is the speech which is reported by Rima. Okay, Rima said to Prakash, I can write it. So Rima is the subject, Prakash is the object. I can write it is the reported speech. How to change? Use very simple. You see here. Before changing direct narration into indirect narration, you have to see the reported speech. The sentence of the reported speech should be identified. Okay, like I can write it. This must be identified. Which type of sentence it is? It is an assertive sentence. Okay, because I can write it. It is a simple statement, so it is an assertive sentence. In assertive sentence, this said to change into told. Now how to do? Rima said to will change into told. Rima told Prakash. You always remember, said to change into told. You don't write told to Prakash. Told to Prakash is wrong. Okay. In assertive sentence, this comma, inverted comma. Whenever we remove this comma, inverted comma, so by removing this, we have to use here that conjunction. Conjunction that we have to use. After that, now we have to this reported speech. That reported speech, if reporting verb is in present or in future, then you don't have to change the tense of reported speech. But said to, it is in past, so you have to change the tense as well as the person of this reported speech. Okay, so I is the first person, so a first person always change according to the subject, so it will change according to Rima. Rima is the third person, girl, so she. So can always change into could, that I have already given. After that, write it. Very simple. You see here, Rima told Prakash that she could write it. Okay, so Rima was the subject, so Rima told Prakash that she could write it. Now next example you see here. She said to me, I was playing guitar. Listen here, I was playing guitar is a simple sentence. It is an assertive sentence. So it is here also you have to apply the rules of assertive sentence. Okay, which I have already given in the video. So she said to always change into told in assertive case. Okay, in assertive case you have to use said to into told. She told me, comma, inverted comma, always change into that in assertive sentence, because reported speech is in assertive sentence, so that. Okay, now again you see here, I is the first person always change according to the subject. Okay, according to the person of the subject of reporting verb. This is the subject of reporting verb. This first person will change according to this subject. So I is the first person and she is the third person, so I change into third. So when you change I into third, it will be C. So you always remember that in one list I have given, no chart I have given. In that chart I have told you that how to change the tense. Okay, I have given some specific rule of changing. So there I have given there. You can see that chart which you have written. There I have told you that was and were always change into had been. Was and were always, whether there will be was or there will be were, both will change into had been. Okay. After that you don't have to change other things. If there will be object, then you will have to change person. If there will be any other person, then you have to change. There is no any person. Okay, playing guitar. Now example number 3, you see here, Geeta said to, this is reporting verb, this is reported speech. You built home for me. This is a simple statement. It is also an assertive sentence. Now how to change? You see here, Geeta said to change into told Sita. Geeta told Sita, comma, inverted comma, here also change into that. Sita told Geeta, or Geeta told Sita that. Now you see here, you is the second person. Second person change always according to the object of reporting verb. So object is Sita. Sita, name of any person is always third person. Sita is third person. So you will change according to third person. So third person of you is C. Okay. So you change into C. Now you see here. I have already told you in one chart I have given, if there will be second form of the verb will change had and third form. The built, third form of the built is built only. If there will be second form in the reported speech, while changing the tense, second form change into had built. Okay, had and third form. So built, third form of the built is built only. So had built. Had you have to use. Remember this. Okay, had built home for. Again, me is the person. I have already told you that persons and tense must be changed of reported speech. Okay, so me is the first person object. Okay, first person object. So first person always change according to the subject. So me will change according to the person of Geeta. Geeta is the name of a girl, third person. So me will change into third person. So me is the object. So third person of me is her. Okay. So Geeta told Sita that she had built home for her. So this is how we change the direct narration into indirect narration. One more example I am giving you. So you said to her. So you told her. It is also assertive sentence. So comma inverted comma will be that. So I is the first person. It will change according to the person of subject of reporting verb. Subject of reporting verb is you. You is the second person. Okay. So I will change into second person. Second person of I is you. So you have always changed into had, which I have already given in that chart. You can see there. You had. After that completed. You don't have to change anything. It. Thank you.